got something a little different for you today. We've been building this Ranger. We took it out last weekend to Vinton County and it did pretty well. We're far from done with it. We want to go over with you what we've done already to it. 5-inch rough country lift. As you can see, it doesn't sit like a stock Ranger. It's not a big truck, but it's got 33s on it. 15 by 8 Pro Comp. I think Series 51 wheels. They're just a steel wheel. Cooper Evolution MTs on it. 33 by 12.5 by 15. Rough Country says that you can't fit a 15 with their lift kit because of the knuckle and some clearance issues, but we got enough offset on these rims that we got it to fit. So they just barely clear the tie rod end. And I mean, there's maybe 1/8 of an inch between the tie rod end and the inner wheel. Front end, we went with an affordable off-road front bumper. Apex Badlands 12,000 pound winch from Harbor Freight. And I got these lights off of Amazon. They're pretty bright. They're spotlights. We just got in some leveling keys for it. As you can see, it sits a little lower in the front than it does in the back. So we're gonna raise it in the front a little bit, just a tiny bit, make it level it out. We're waiting on a front drive shaft from Rough Country. They recommended it from the beginning and I decided to try to give it a go without it, and it's clicking. We also went with a skid plate from Affordable. Same as the front bumper. Obviously it's still got powder coat and everything on it, so we haven't wheeled this thing hard enough yet. Here's part of the drop kit. We got a Shorty antenna for it. Keep it out of the way of trees and brush and stuff from flopping around. This antenna right here, temporary location, but it's for Midland XT something 275 or something. It's a GMRS radio, so we can keep in contact with the guys we go out and ride around with on the trails. Best mod of them all, Brooke Curtis. Hi.
Hi.
Got Tucker Butt here. He decided to come along with us for the ride today.
He's a cute one.
He wants to get out, but he's too furry and he's gonna get snow stuck all in his fur and then be a sopping wet mess later on. Ain't that right, Tucker Bud? Here's the radio we went with. All the controls and stuff are actually on the handheld part of it. I like that about it. We just wanted to tell you what we've done with the truck already and what we have planned for it. Not much this year. I mean, we might go with some lockers. I'm thinking about bigger tires, maybe put some 35s on it instead of the 33s. We went out last weekend, we had a blast. If you guys are regulars on our channel, you watched the last video. We had a blast. We can't wait to go back out with those guys. Green Oval Guild.
Girls.
Yeah, guys and girls.
There were some
I'm sorry.
awesome girls, that's why I say that.
Yeah, guys and girls. But Green Oval Guild led the way. Rabid Customs was with us. Columbus Trucks and Coffee actually put it on. So you had to sign up. They had a maximum of 10 people to go. So, but with 10 people, we had a blast. We can't wait to go back and do it again.
Yep.
So that's it. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Yep.